Hello everyone, today we will come to see a typical process of manufacturing a small power tool motor. Okay, we are starting. As you can see, at first place here is a machine that's placed in the paper resistant in the inner of the Stator core. You can see that's push paper in here, push paper in between the plastic and the core of the Stator to resistant electric, you know. And then the next step is the winding machines that will winding with highly precisely and really efficiency and very quick. This step, the pull fork of the wire maybe adjust about 4 to 4.5 kilogram. You can see we have two set here, and then after that we got the stator into the stamp machine, small stamp that will stamp the sticking out ear here into fit into the wire, copper wire, make it fast to ready for welding machine. Welding machine have a hole, have a square stud here. This may stick out 2.5 to 3 millimeter. Here's to cover up the ear. Well, soldering ear here's entire. So this have to sticking out 3 millimeter, 2.5 to 3.5. So we usually use 3 millimeter for almost type of motor stator. And the high of the well bit, you can see here the high of the well bit to the bed, high of the well bit up to the bed usually is 5 millimeter to 6 millimeter. Okay, and you can see the parameter here, and you can see the low. Okay, this parameter is fixed, and we cannot maybe we should have adjusted it, and here we can adjust. Maybe this press force is 40 to 50 kilogram. To this press fork we apply to the ear here to press, make a well connect between the wire to the soldering ear. And then go to next step is we are gluing. This is the heat hardened glue, and we put glue in here with the machine that's automatically turn over and over between three position here. You can see three position, and it's turned to put the glue in position to fix the wire in position for last long. And you can see that we still 0.18 gram to each position, and then this we place into the oven, heat oven, to make the glues dry up and hard, and it will really hard and fix the wire in position. You can see, and the temperature of the oven is adjust about 105 to 130 Celsius degree. You can see just about 105 to 130 Celsius degree here, and it will heat go up for about 30 minutes. Okay, and you can see okay here, and then got it put into the box. To next step, we're going to measure the resistance and all the parameter in this function test machine. It will entire testing the stator with it for all the parameter. You see here, okay, and the display percent of the resistance is use the maximum to minus the minimum and get the result. Divide for the biggest resistance in 3 resistance here, and this is the how many percent is displaced. Okay, and then we put it to test the loading, run with load and run without load here, and push it position fixed up, and then you can press start to test, and if you push here it can apply the load, and if you without push here and just start, it will not apply the load, so the motor will run without load. Okay, and here is a place that we push the item here, and we have a laser etching machine that's put in some text later or letter and then logo or something that we need to etching on the stuff, and we have a bigger scope here. We have scope that can see the item closely and with a bigger size, so we can check out any defect, and at the last step before packaging, and okay, we push the second part into packaging to eliminate any helmet or wiper still in the package box, and we apply the rust resistant oil entire of the stator to make it rust resistant. We have a scale here, and this scale will scale a box how many pieces in the box and its growth weight, and then if growth weight not meet demand, that's the light here will turn on, and we have alarm aware here. It will go well, and then the worker know to recheck the box. Thing go the same, typical, basically the same with the rotor light here. You can see at the left side is the stator line, and the right side of me now is the rotor line, processing line. So you can see the arrangement really the same, and we will go closely later. Okay, bye for now. Okay, so today we finished with the typical power tune motor. I mean that stator here. So we just finished for today. See you later. Thank you.